Okay, so being a black Jew is strange in the sense that, hmm, it's strange to everyone else. It's not strange to me. To me, it's like, it's who I am. I mean, there's parts of me, I guess I could say, that have kind of been Jewish all of this time. So me being a Jew doesn't seem strange. However, to other people, it's like bizarre. I mean, I remember I met this guy once, and he found out that I was Jewish, and we were talking, and I said shul. He says, "You use the word shul?" And I'm like, "Well, of course I use the word shul. That's where I go to pray." And he was like, "I never thought I'd ever hear a black person say the word shul." And I'm like, "Well, you're saying it right now. Like, right now. Like, it's the only word I know for, it's the word that I use for synagogue. This is the word that my boyfriend used for synagogue. So, like, when I heard him use it, I picked it up, and that's how I tell people that's where I'm going. I'm going to shul. It's Shabbos. I'm going to shul. Um, Sometimes it's hard because people, like, really think that you don't know anything. They assume that you don't know anything. And then when you do know something, they're like super surprised. And like I'm not exactly sure like what I want the response to be, or even if I want a response. But if I did want a response, I'd want it to be somewhere like in the middle, or maybe not at all. I'm just a Jew. If I'm in synagogue, I'm there to pray, I'm there to do my thing, you know.